I'm going to show you guys how you can index your Google pages. So first thing you need to do is look up Google Search Console. Okay, you're just going to type that in, and then you guys are going to see Google Search Console. Go ahead and click on that, and then click on Start Now. After you click on Start Now, it's going to go ahead and ask you to connect your domain. Follow the instructions that are going to be on the screen. Okay, after you've gone ahead and followed those instructions that are on the screen, you need to go ahead and have your website name and your pages ready. Okay, so follow the directions that are on the screen. It'll ask you to go into your DNS settings, configure your text. You need to do that. Just verify your domain. After you do that, you're going to be let into here. Once you're inside of here, you need to go ahead and then type in your website name. That's going to be the first thing you're going to do. So mine is going to be stackmode.net. Okay, so from here, I'm going to go ahead and type it in. I'm going to click on request indexing. It's going to take a minute or two here. And then it's going to give me a green check mark. I shouldn't get any errors here. But what you guys need to do is you need to go on your website, figure out what all main tabs that you have. Okay, all your main navigation tabs here, all your channels to your separate website pages, okay, from your main website. Okay, so here I have like advertising, reviews, articles. I have different types of pages here, one for my academy, etc. Okay, then afterward, you're going to see indexing requested. After that's done, you're going to be able to go to your next link, copy that, paste that. And as you can see, I already indexed this one here. Okay, so this one's already indexed fully. So we're going to be good on this page. Now I'm going to go to my next page. I'm going to grab the websites and ads page, copy, paste. As you can see, this URL is on Google. I'm going to go ahead and go to the next page on my website, trading, copy, paste. As you can see, this URL is on Google here. Okay, already indexed. So make sure you guys just go through each link on your website. Okay, each and every single link on your website, go through, make sure that it's indexed. Okay, if it's not indexed, if it doesn't say URLs on Google, click on request indexing. I'm gonna make sure my advertising page is indexed too. This just makes it really, really easy, guys, to go ahead and get found and to just be successful. Make sure the reviews tab I have be indexed here. Cool, indexed. Same thing with my articles tab. This one helps my search engine optimization a lot. As you can see, indexed. Cool. What else am I missing here? Over to my footer. For the most part, that's really going to be it. We got the podcast. Man, we got iPhone repair, tablet repair. We already got the Google repair or Windows repair. iPhone repair. Okay, so for the most part, it's looking like all of my URLs are going to be indexed here. Let me go ahead and, okay, even this podcast one is indexed too. So let me make sure my iPhone repair is indexed. Okay, it's not. So let me go ahead and click on request indexing here. Go ahead and wait for this to load up. Okay, we're just going to give it just a moment here. Cool beans. I'm going to dismiss that. Tablet repair. Cool. Already on here. iPhone repair. Let me go ahead and request the indexing here. And then from there, we're just going to go ahead and wait. Now we're going to head over to the next step, and this one's going to be super duper important here. So I'm going to go ahead and wait for this to be indexed here, and this is going to let people be able to find our website pages on Google. So now I'm going to head over to pages here. Okay. So I can see index, not indexed. Okay. Redirect error. You guys need to go to see details, and then you guys need to see if there's any errors on yours. If you do see it, then you need to click it, and it'll give you an option to rescan the error. So as you can see, a lot of these say started. That one says passed, so that one we're going to be all good on. Started, so we're all good here. Click on videos. Okay, videos. I started the indexing a couple of days ago here, but make sure you guys index your videos when you can. Okay, sitemap. If you don't have your sitemap, you're gonna put in your website name / sitemap.xml. Okay, you guys are gonna go ahead and fill this out here. Don't worry about removals. HTTPS, make sure you guys see all green here. You should see all green HTTPS URLs, and then red, make sure that's not showing anything. Your product snippets, make sure everything is passed and everything is valid here. Your merchant listings, make sure everything is green valid here and 0 invalid. So why items are invalid. So as you can see here, boom. And then missing field has a return policy. So here, I need to see details, start a new validation. Okay. And then if I see any issues like this, what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to jump right into my IDE here. So one moment, I'm going to grab this IDE code. Boom. I'm going to just copy that. So as you can see, I'm having errors with these two down here. So I'm going to grab these two. I'm going to make sure I grab everything here. I'm going to grab all of these. I'm going to put it into my IDE. And I'm literally just going to ask it to fix these Google Search Console errors. Okay, fix these Google Search Console errors for my site. 100 out of 100 score. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy that, put that into my IDE, throw that into your Claude code, your codex, into whatever you're doing. Okay, and then from there, I'm going to head over to the breadcrumbs. Okay, valid, 0 invalid, valid. Review snippets, valid, valid. Okay, so here, 0 affected items, so that's going to be good here, so I'm not going to worry about that. Security, no issues detected. Make sure you guys click on manual actions and security issues. No issues should be detected. I have a bunch of hidden prompts for you guys. If you guys want to rank 1 SEO, I really do have some cool documents for you guys, and you guys can get those inside of the StackMODE Academy too. Okay, your links, and then yeah. So then from there, you can just keep tracking your performance. My impressions have been going up a lot. So if you guys need a search engine optimization guide so you guys can start learning how to rank higher and get more clicks, I really want to just help you guys out. I'm just going to keep showing you guys my impressions, and then this here too. These are going to be all things people are going to be able to find me off of when it comes to Google. So yeah, and I'm really just adding more things. I'm just still grinding. We do a lot of services. I do in-person tech repair. We do websites, and we also teach trading. And I also do have an academy where you can learn all of that stuff yourself. You know what I'm saying? Cool. So yeah, I just really appreciate you guys, man. Thank you guys for watching. Head over to stackmode.net. Catch you guys in the next one. Stay prayed up to God. Keep grinding. Peace.